Hey, this is Richard, self-appointed corruption czar, live stream 35. What you gonna do when corruption czar to help you? Hey, today's topic gonna be city, state, judges, attorney, the oath. Right here, I got the city oath. What does the commissioner say, or the red light cop supposed to do? So, like I said, in this scam, they swear defend the Constitution, but they defend the red light cameras that violate our constitutional right. So before we get there, the first thing we do in Corruption Czar Network, you know what we do in our channel is we get swear in. What do you mean swear in? In my channel, we like to follow the Constitution. And if you're a typical American, law-abiding citizen, you'll take the oath. So here's the oath. I swear support and defend the U.S. Constitution. Now we sworn in, now we can talk. This will be a real quick video today. And let me go back to my close-up screen here. Hang on. Background. Yeah, here we go. I'm going to switch to this one here. And it'd be better. I'm going to try to use my webcam. And some of you is the first time here. And I've done 50 videos so far about the red light camera scam. I pointed over 100 things, like I said, 120 things liability or a criminal act by the red light camera party. You know, the government agencies that enforce this scam. So let me go over a couple of things. Before we go to that, let's do this first. Let's take care of some business. Now here's my new channel art. Okay, I switch up. So you look right above me. There is I got two cameras going above me. There is my Facebook over here up above me, and a link to my Facebook page. I use my Facebook page as a notebook. I got like 500 article or comment about the red light scam over the last 3 years. So I just what I love about social media. It helps us defeat the criminal inside the government. Remember, when government and businesses come partnership, the business will give the government liability. Okay, now they force to defend the business. That's what goes on in the red light scam, and that's one thing about the politician they learn. I'm on the scam. My job here to help, like the city commissioner, the county commissioner, the state legislator, the politician. Hey, the criminal outsmart you. Because you all took an oath to defend the Constitution. Okay? It don't say defend the red light cameras. To me, if I was a city commissioner or county commissioner or a politician, I'd be in the back of my brain. You know, hey, I'll be defending the Constitution. I don't care what any business should say. You read the guidelines. See, remember, in the red light scam, the camera company helped wrote the rules. And their rules bypass the Constitution, bypass proper due process, misuse of traffic court, misuse government agencies like DMV, the legal system. Remember, they spend, if you get a violation notice or a citation notice and you follow your correct, remember the further ball, I got rules for traffic courts. You're entitled to due process. That means face your accuser. The camera company never show up for court, never take legal action, but so if you don't pay your citation violation, they send you DMV, suspend your driver license. They do within this scam. They do process, not due process. That's not the law. Due process means they tell you, the camera company, just explain to the court how you damaged or injured by me. Or by it. But remember, in this scam, they never identify the driver. They punish the owner of the vehicle. Okay, that's under uniform traffic law. You identify, stop the vehicle and identify the driver. That's the law. In this scam, they circumvent the laws. That's the problem with the red light scam. That's how perfect a scam. This scam fooled 99.99% of the people out there. You could be a professional attorney right now. Guess what? You got fooled by this. You could be that politician, straight legislator who, hey, that'd be a good idea. Had a red light cam for safety issue. Guess what? They abuse the traffic courts. They vagueness. Anything they do is vagueness. I'm gonna show you down here. The vagueness. My picture of vagueness. Okay, and the other thing in the system is there's no check and balance in the system. Well, no verification. Remember, when they spend your driver license, and remember, the police department will illegal violate your Driver Protection Act, 1992. The police car cannot drive down the road and look up tag. It's totally illegal. On the Constitution, it's illegal. But here, how people don't realize, the city, the county, state make their own rules. Rules and law, two different things. They make their own rules up. Oh, they can do it. That's unconstitutional. You remember, you swore an oath to take the Constitution, not the dang, you know, you didn't take an oath to defend illegal activity. You just meant to follow the law. So in this scam, if you don't, say the cop pull you over illegally and say you got to spend a driver, and they take you to jail, it should be illegal. Okay, what happened is you don't get no due process. Because remember, the camera company somebody send information to the state attorney office to prosecute you. I'm looking at Bradley versus America in 1963. We don't get to see that evidence. I request this information from the city, the county, the state attorney office. They refuse to give me information. That violate evidence. They not turn over evidence. Because remember, you're allowed in this scam, you get to look at all the evidence. You never get to see the paperwork. All they show is video evidence by the red light program, not all the paperwork. Okay, like I said, everything they do is a false report. Okay, now I want to see the evidence. So let's get to the subject today. I'll make it real quick. Our first thing to do first is this: the law of the land. See, this is what I'm talking about. To make anything legal in the United States, you must get United States U.S. Constitution meet that requirement. Okay, and that's what happened. But businesses, government, they write their own rules, and that's not the law. You got to follow Constitution first. So the first thing we got to do is go down here. Here, I'll show you something. My Facebook page. So you want to follow along with me. Here my Facebook page look like. Okay, like I said, I got a 500 article about the red light scam. Okay, and I got videos, I got images, I got story after story about the scam. So follow me along on my Facebook page. So let's go to the first one. Let's go down to the city of Lakeland. The Lakeland oath. Okay, here we go. We'll go through this oath thing here. So what this is about is this. Section 40 of the Florida bylaw, okay, the oath of the officer, right there. Every elected official of the city shall, okay, here you go. I do solemnly swear that I'm the citizen of the United States and the state of Florida and city of Lakeland qualified, and here you go. Here, I will support the Constitution of the United States of. You see that? The first responsibility is to defend the Constitution, not the red light camera program. So if I go to the county commission meetings, hey, this is illegal, you need to stop defending red light camera and go to the Constitution. That's what you commissioners doing wrong. Every attorney doing wrong. City manager doing wrong. City attorney doing wrong. The prosecutor, city attorney of DMV, they don't. You sworn to defend the Constitution, not the program. That's what's wrong with government. They defend the program, not the Constitution. The judges do not defend the Constitution. The Florida Supreme Court does defend the Constitution. You sworn to defend the Constitution. So one we'll talk about. Now we go down to the second story here. Every police officer is sworn to take the oath. So I'm going to tell you the story the first time I'm going to go up here. First up camera. Nope, wrong camera. Let me go back up. My cameras. Let's do this one here. What camera? Let me go find my camera close up. Oh, close up. That's why I need somebody up here to help me. Okay, we're here. Let me find my close up. Nope. Oh, here we go. We'll go with this from here. Well, we're going to talk about my very first time I showed up for traffic court. And I'm kind of smart, so I like to check it out. Because when you go, you never want to do something for the first time because they're going to be things that throw you off guard. So I check out traffic court. So remember, I try to get it. I filed paperwork to get in the city court, but they kept me in the county court. Okay, so it's a long story. So basically, I go to court. You expect something. You expect something. Guess what? You have the police officer checking everybody in, trying to intimidate you. And they said, "You want to look at the cameras?" He shouldn't say. Remember, this is illegal court, and the plaintiff should never check in defendant in any form of court. And that's what's wrong with traffic court and this scam. Okay, they make their own rules up. They had a red light car check you in, try to intimidate you. Then they had the bailer out, start giving improper instruction. They're trying to tell you can't question computer expert or go in the courtroom and ask about the expert evidence. Okay, so I go to the red light court and go, "Look, you want to look at the video?" I said, "Hey." I say, "Yeah, I'm here to check out court." And was there what happened? And I said, "Hey, you know, in South Florida, a judge ruled it's unconstitutional." And the red light car got time to take off at me. He tried to intimidate me. I said, "Okay." He said, we don't do constitutional law in this traffic court. Don't go in the courtroom expecting to get constitutional law." You hear that? And what I said, hold it. And I'm thinking, oh, really? He tried to intimidate us. So that's why every case is going to be dismissed in this red light program through the Lakeland. I'll tell you what, right here. Well, the first thing you've got to do, cop, I do swear, defend the Constitution, not the red light. It doesn't say we're on your oath as a red light cop, defend the red light camera cop. It says defend the Constitution. You go telling us that you don't do constitutional law in traffic court? Oh, I can't wait to get you in front of the Florida Department of Regulation for your cop license. Wait, you do it. I'm gonna go get the dang city attorney in front of the Florida bar, or whoever anybody in the city or county and state. Go to any. If you draw to enforce the red light camera program, I'm going to put you in front and take your state license away. Because you want to take the oath to defend the Constitution. You're not defending the Constitution. You're defending the red light cameras. Same with the commissioners. You've got to defend the Constitution, not the red light program. So if I was a city commissioner or mayor, I say, "Hey, Mr. House, I got something right here." Because remember, I explained in my 50 video, I violate the First Amendment, the 4th, the 5th, the 6th, the 14th. Okay? 14th means equal protection of law. It's not individual. In the program, relay program, they treat everybody individual and process everybody. No verification. Like I said, you ain't able to get all the evidence. Remember, the relay company never show up for court, never take legal action. Remember how they injure or damage. Okay, did they take a complaint to the state attorney office or the city? I want to see that paperwork. Because what I said, everything they do is false police report. Okay, false paperwork. So I'm gonna make it a short video today. So what you gotta do when corruptions are, help you. Thank you for tuning in.